Why sign out 2026? Avoid this registration mistake. So, here's the first thing you need to avoid. Don't enter a nickname or a different legal name. When creating a professional or personal Wise account, use legal name, date of birth, and resident address. Wise may compare details against your verification documents, like for example your ID. So, and the second thing is don't use an address you can't prove. So enter your actual address where you live. If the Wise asks for proof of address, the documents needs to show your full name and address matching your Wise account. Common problem is uploading a document that has a different address, has someone else's name, it's too old or a blurry incomplete. And number three is don't submit a poor quality or unsupported ID. Your ID should be valid, unexpired, clear, and fully visible. Wise commonly accept passport, national IDs, and photo driver's license. Other requirements may vary by country. When taking the photo, use a good lighting. Don't cover any information. Make sure the text is readable. Include both sides when Wise requests them. And don't upload a photo of a screen. Yes, that will just make it much worse. And one more thing to point out, guys, there isn't a guaranteed trick to avoid rejection. Wise may request additional verification depending on your country, currency, or transfer or circumstance. But anyways, guys, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more question concerns, you can always type it down question below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.